Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. In today's topic, what we are going to see about is the review and preview show. So let us see what is the market doing. So all right guys, so as we can see from Nifty, so Nifty has come to the all-time highs resistance. So it is around 15,435. So exactly the Friday market has closed at 15,435 near the resistance level. So what I can see from Nifty is in weekly chart, since it's near the resistance, we may expect a little bit of correction up to 15,200. But this is not 100%. We may expect a correction, but not an overall downtrend. And the whole trend is an uptrend. So my suggestion is next week will be the deciding factor. If we have a correction, well and good, we'll look for an opportunity to buy again. If the market breaks and goes up in the next week, Monday, then the overall trend has started for a buy trend, and we are going to expect a huge upward momentum in the coming days. All right, and so my suggestion is if we get a little bit of correction, so that will be an opportunity to go for a buy again. All right, so that is for Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty, so as said, Bank Nifty is in a clear buy trend, and we are going to expect a huge momentum in the coming days. And the targets for Bank Nifty will be 35,770, and once that breaks, the next level of resistance is at 37,550. So we are expecting a huge momentum in Bank Nifty in the coming days for an uptrend. And as I said before, the suggested scripts of State Bank of India and HDFC Bank are a good long-term investment for buying. And SBI, we have already bought it, and HDFC Bank has a little bit of correction, but the overall trend is in buy trend. So we can expect a huge momentum in the coming days. So Bank Nifty and SBI and HDFC Bank all are in buy trend. And next, coming to gold. So the gold market, as stated before, it has broken the previous line of resistance at 1900, and now we are expecting a next momentum of an uptrend to the level of 1950. So we may expect another $50 to $60 movement in gold. And for long-term investors, if you're going for a buy, try to buy as much as gold as possible. And one of our subscriber has asked a question that since we are in Indian market, how to trade in gold on international market. So my suggestion is you better go with MCX and try to buy gold in commodities market. That will be better. So we can try to buy in commodities, or if you want to go for a physical gold, try to buy grams of gold in pieces like coins. That will be better. Or if you're doing in forex market, you can go for gold spot. That will be better. So overall, gold market is an uptrend. And one more update for Hero MotoCorp, which I gave recently, that is so Hero Motors, last time I told you about the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and as we can see, so the market has closed above the neckline level, and now we are expecting a huge upward movement in Hero MotoCorp. So last time I said once the market is able to close near 3,000, we'll go for a buy, and still it's okay. Market has closed above. Went above and came and closed about 2991. So still it is in a good buy trend. So we are expecting a target of 3,500 to 3,600. So that will be the target for Hero MotoCorp. But here and there a little bit of correction will be that. But the overall trend for equities buying will be 3,500 to 3,600 range. So that is the overall look for Hero MotoCorp. So that's it guys for the review and preview today. Thank you very much for joining. So alright guys, so that is for the review and preview today. I hope you were benefited from this video, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.